Today's Monday, June 2nd. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado fuel-injected fuel pump. This is the frame-mounted variant for my friend Robert Sanders, and I'm going to go ahead and do a functional validation test. The unit has been completely disassembled, fully restored, and normally these units are calibrated to the sending unit fuel pump. As in 76 Eldorado, there are two fuel pumps, one mounted in the gas tank on the sending unit and the other one mounted on the frame rail. This is the frame rail mounted variant that is behind the passenger side door, mounted on the frame, and it's designed to work in concert, in parallel, and calibrated to the sending unit mounted on the calibrated to the fuel pump mounted on the sending unit located inside the gas tank. So in 1976, what we have are two fuel pumps that are synchronized to work together in order to deliver the 45 psi up front to the engine. Okay, and lack of synchronization basically causes cavitation, causes rough idling and problems, and also a tremendous whining sound generally. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply power. And of course, this is a unidirectional pump. I can go ahead and reverse the polarity and reverse the rotation, which I'm not going to do. Okay, so that's the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado frame-mounted fuel-injected fuel pump for my friend Robert. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today's Monday, June 2nd. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.